Malaysia's lower house of parliament has unanimously passed a bill to abolish the mandatory death penalty. This gives judges discretionary powers in sentencing, allowing them to impose jail terms of up to 40 years instead. In Malaysia, 34 offences, including murder, drug trafficking, waging war against the state and terrorism, well, they're all punishable by death. Of these, 11 carried the mandatory death sentence. These legal amendments are largely seen as a positive change to make the country's criminal justice system more holistic and inclusive. But not everyone is on board. Families of murder victims held a media briefing today to oppose the abolishment. Several NGOs have also voiced their dissent, saying that imprisonment is not serious enough. The bill will be debated in the upper house and will then be presented to the King before it can be gazetted into law.
We have spoken to their representatives, victims, families and so on. And, as I've mentioned in the past, we certainly sympathize with their position. And, but we've also tried to inform them, convince them that the death penalty is not as effective as it was thought to have been. And we want to explore and look at other holistic measures to look at how to combat crime, reduce crime, particularly major crimes, heinous crimes, and so on.